Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the BlueStacks "You are offline" error. First, check your internet. Open a web browser and make sure websites load. If they do not, fix your internet first. Next, disable any VPN or proxy. Active VPNs or proxies can block BlueStacks from connecting. Go to Windows Settings, then Network and Internet, and turn off any VPN or proxy you are using. Check your firewall settings. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, and select Restore Firewalls to Default. This removes any rules that might be blocking BlueStacks. Make sure your computer's date and time are correct. Incorrect date or time can cause connection errors in BlueStacks. If the problem continues, you can create a new instance using the Multi-Instance Manager in BlueStacks. A fresh instance often fixes errors that affect a single profile. Another option is clearing the Google Play Store cache inside BlueStacks. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Google Play Store, and clear the cache. Thanks for watching.